No, the birds didn't attack until the children were outside the school.
Help you, Mrs. Bundy?
I need some change, Mr. Carter.
Crows, I think. Well, I don't know, Daddy. Is there a difference between crows and blackbirds?
There is very definitely a difference, miss.
Thank you. They're different, Daddy. Well, I think these were crows. Well, yes, hundreds of them. Yes, they attacked the children, attacked them. Well, I don't know when, but I simply can't leave now, Daddy.
They're both birds and birds, of course, but of quite different species. The crow is black-aratus, the blackbird separate.
Yeah, I don't see what difference it makes, Mrs. Bundy. Now, if they attack the school, that's very serious.
I think that either species has the intelligence to launch a mass attack. Their brain had simply outlawed.
I just came from the school, madam. I don't know about their brain pans, but...
Birds are not aggressive creatures, miss. They bring beauty to the world.
Now, Mrs. Bundy, you don't seem to understand. Now, this young lady here says there was an attack at the school.
No, it is you who doesn't understand. I've degrees from all the finest, foremost universities. I've traveled all around the world studying species. So I think that I can safely say with all assuredness that these unsubstantiated claims are clearly ludicrous. Impossible! Oh, impossible! Psychopathic killer man, vicious, terrifying, impossible! Impossible! The brain had simply are not big enough.
But what about the party? Dan Foster too is dead. The birds attacked the children. There's more to come, I dread. I know it sounds incredulous. I wouldn't lie to you. So please believe me when I say that all of this is true.
She knows it sounds incredulous. She wouldn't lie to you. So please believe her when she says that all of this is true.
My dear girl, such a statement simply isn't logical. It defies the laws of nature, and I think you ought to know that if all the billions of birds in the world decided to have an all-out war, we wouldn't stand a chance, my dear. Mankind would be bored. For you see, Miss Daniels, with your scarlet talons and your mink coat and your pearls, there are billions and trillions of birds, you see, all around the world. Canary sing a merry tune, and don't forget the Arctic loon. Tiger herons from Peru, the famous silver captain. Tiger herons from Peru, the famous silver captain. I just adore the white and colored faces, squeaky joy, the robin welcomes in the spring. Startled, crescent, laughing, wing the croak and live most anywhere. Raven penguin's quite a scare. Penguin likes to mate for life. Penguin husband and a wife. Penguin likes to mate for life. A penguin husband and a wife. The ruby-throated hummingbird makes no to barely heard the rapid feet on animals. School goes a cannibal. Vulture is a scavenger and picks at flesh from bones and crab. Who lives inside the clock? Monster takes next to the top. The cuckoo lives inside the clock. The monster takes next to the tops. The emus take our evergreen, inquisitive and so serene. Long neck, tigret, arrogant, your tale is quite improbable, and that is why I say
Impossible.